Hello everyone. So today I'm making a trading journal which I'm planning to take a trade today. Right now I'm in Nepal for a vacation, so I wasn't able to post any videos for now, but I'm trying to see a setup on Asian session today because it's 6:12 a.m. here in Nepal, so it's around 3.5 or 4 hours ahead from here to get in Sydney session. So today I'm looking for an opportunity in the USD CHF. Well, the reason here is that when I see in the daily, so our bias overall, the daily bias higher time frame is aligned with us, that the market is trying to go up on the daily time frame. So our bias was to get long, as the price was also above 20 moving average here. And well, I was looking for 4 hours, and in 4 hours also there was a resistance over here, but it has been broken, almost like trying to be broken, try to broke over here. So we have 21 minutes left still. Let's see on 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Well, in 30 minutes the resistance has been broken, and we have a very good range over here to trade in. But on previous day's high there is coming some sort of selling pressure over here, but once the 30 hours resistance supply would be broken, the fresh supply would be broken, we'll be looking to get entry on 5 minutes or 1 minute, whatever there could be, because we could see a very good range over here, almost like 16 15 pips, or yeah, around 15 pip up range, somewhere over here. And why I'm interested over here to take and trade is because the daily CPR is also very thin today, so we could have got an entry before even, but we woke up late. Now we have to, but yeah, the CPR is really thin today. It already had a very good move already, but we would see according to our setup from 30 minutes. Yeah, so we are looking for price to close above ahead previous day's high or something like that, and once it would be done, then we'll look for buy entry. All right. Alright guys, good morning. So let's analyze our yesterday's trade. So yesterday I was waiting for my trade setup on USD CHF. So as you already know from my previous video, so our trade went right. You can see here we got a profit of $247, and like our risk to reward was what happened here, our risk to reward was around 1:2. So we have we have grown our account to almost like more than 10% in the month. But so let's see the logic, like what are the things happened on yesterday trade. Even though the trade went right on my side, but I'm gonna put this video on my bad trade experience journal list, because I noticed few of the things happened on the market. Let's say as I was saying sorry man, as I was saying, our entry was here because there was a clean range on 30 minutes, plus our overall bias was bullish from our moving average on higher time frame. And the phrases supply had been broken yesterday. So even though we tried to make an entry over here, but because of the large spread on ask and bid, because it was an Asian session and I didn't realize that, I directly took my trade on the market order. So my order fulfilled in almost like more than 5-6 pips over ahead. So so that was a huge mistake I made yesterday. This could be happening all of the time, even again on the coming days. So we need to see before executing our trade. We know that we should trade on a very low spread market where there is a high liquidity. So so that's what we know, but sometimes this might could happen. So that's what happened yesterday. So at that time what I did was I immediately tried to close my half of the position, because as my order was fulfilled ahead of my required price. So definitely the stop loss for me was quite higher than what I was expecting. So instantly I closed my half of the position. You could see that my risk to reward on trading view was meant to be more than 3.5 R, but I only gathered 2.5, because even though I executed my trade over here, but my trade got fulfilled over this price, as you know. So I just because it was on 30 minutes, so I just yeah, I just leave my trade as it was. And so I just I made my on MetaTrader, I put my RR on 1:2, and I just moved. So later on the market, you could see how nicely the market rallied that day. The power of thin CPR, as you could see. Even though we didn't be able to get the trade in the morning, but we tried to find the trade on the on over here. So yeah, that's what it was. Our logic overall, it went right, but what we could have done even better was that I could have just took let's say 80 or 90% of my position. I could have taken the profit, and I should have let my winners run. So that could that's how I could have get even more profit on. But that's what it was, because I wasn't online at that time. So I just put my trade as it was. So that's what it was, guys. So the most important lesson we got from yesterday was that the setup was perfectly nice, but sometimes even though the setups get nicer, we need to see for the ask and bid on the market. Like if there is more volatility, or let's say there is a more spread between the buyer and sellers, then your price may get filled on the unnecessary price level. So you might get be impacted by that thing. So check. So it's better to check always before getting a trade. And if you get your profit on your desired profit level, then just leave certain percent of your position and let it run, so that you could capture a lot of moves. All right, guys. Yeah, check out the video. Thank you for that.